Hey, what's up, Digibyte coin holder, my brother? Digibyte were fails down very badly and previous last 24 hour, my brother, last 1 hour. So this is very bad, but remember to in last 7 days, 15.85% profit. So definitely all cryptocurrencies will moving upward and previous days. So therefore, Digibyte is also one of the good coin, my brother, and definitely this will be also price will be increasing now. So therefore, my brother, I will notify you to in this video. I have something very special for all of you now, and definitely my friend, absolutely I will tell you in this video. So my brother, the price prediction is very important. So let's see, my brother, this is live price prediction. As you can see, my brother, after a very long jump, my brother, you can see they will fails down for a short time. I am 100% sure to after this fails they will also take a very huge jump now. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is absolutely very good chance from us to you will get a profit. Please don't miss this this chance, and please take a chance. I am 100% sure they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscriber. My prediction is totally going to be positive. What's your price prediction? Please share it in a comment box. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.